Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 21st, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 again today, so we're going to do a recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setouts, my daily live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So the pound dollar did continue down. If you've been watching my videos, then you've probably been making some pretty nice shorts because I've been telling you for weeks to do nothing but go short every single time you see a three-way pullback especially. So definitely some really nice trend trading going on lately. This morning I was also talking about how it likely will go down and break the previous low, which it did. Now, for me, the structure level is still right here. Even if it does pull back and try to break some of these subdivision structure levels, that definitely doesn't tell me that the higher time frame trend is down. Price could go up, break structure, and then easily continue the downtrend. The only thing that's going to turn me into a buyer is if I see this structure level right here break with a lot of momentum. So until that happens, I'm looking for three-way pullbacks. I'm looking for Fibonacci bounces, nice engulfing moves to the downside, and I will just continue to look for shorts every chance I get. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.